Easy go.
Hello friends, this is Nagraj. Welcome to my YouTube channel all in one. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please make sure that click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Today I am going to show you about how to copy Facebook profile link in Android phone without making it. Let's get started. You cannot copy Facebook link by using Facebook Lite, so that you should download Facebook application on Play Store. You can find the link in below description. Open Play Store, type Facebook and search. Select the first one and click on the install button. Here I have already installed Facebook application. Once it's done installation, click on the open button. Here you have to enter Facebook account details like phone number or email. Here I go with my phone number and enter password. Click on login button. Here it is the interface of Facebook. Click on profile. Select more option. Here you can see copy link to profile. Click on that. Your Facebook profile link is copied.